Everybody, today I'm going to be reading Pete the Cat out of my white shoes. I got it from the book fair at my sport boy back right now. My mom. Pete the Cat out of my white shoes. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much. He sang this song. Let's see what song he sings. I love my white shoes. 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 Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? See, I think it's red. That's like red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Everything is cool. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing his song. Awesome! I love my blue shoes. 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 He's holding his umbrella. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing his song. Groovy. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Having coffee or something like that. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water. All the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? White! But no, they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Rock and roll. He's holding a little guitar and it's a sad piece. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Squeak, squeak, squeak. The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good. The end. Thank you guys for watching my video and see you in my next one.